So put it up. Put it up. Cause I look like me a watch you and you a watch me. Me fi move out of my house and me there.
Listen as Erica explains that she does not have any energy for the persons that are calling her name. She speaks about her house and about the homeless people that she is taking care of.
Come in, make we raise the people. I'm not energy phone, you know. Right now, my energy is for my job. Yeah, and the homeless people them fi cook for. And the less fortunate who me can't get little food. Me not no energy food, you know. Oh, look like me don't notice me not no
Share
energy
and
food.
comment,
No? Try
no?
leave me alone.
Let me hear on a thought on this.
We have to come stronger on that. Only could talk and only could this one and me can't make it. It a go on straight and the same thing. Not change. So ladies and gentlemen, please to just leave me alone. Thank you very much. Me don't have time for them idiots, you know. Me don't have no time for them idiots. Me don't have no time for them idiots. No. Me don't have no time for the idiot them. Mercy me God. What a way my fruit tree ripe. Mercy, mercy, mercy. That's just funny. And I want to go slow all on for alright. We have 10 things, some, see? But we need some dirty girl. And sitting for. I want to them people. I also know. Rice and I don't know. Then small pack of rice I can't cook. No. Mix the rice they have to cook. And small pack of rice can't cook. So we are going to share some of them in a two. And we have flour, sugar. Cut off water. Then how me one with a powerful so if I not my